Welcome to Ohio Valley weather. Here's your comprehensive morning forecast for today. Good morning, everyone. I'm Tempest with your comprehensive weather update for today, November 4th, 2025, starting off with a look at what's happening across the country. If you're in the Northwest or Northern California, you'll want to keep an umbrella handy over the next couple of days, as heavy rain is expected to move through your area. This wet weather will be reinforced by a strong cyclone out in the Northeast Pacific, which could bring some gusty winds and heavier rains into Northern California late tomorrow. Meanwhile, along the coast of Northern California, prepare for some strong winds coming your way as we head into Wednesday. For those living in Wyoming, far southwest South Dakota, far northeast Colorado, and western Nebraska, there's an elevated risk for wildfires today due to dry air and windy conditions. Red flag warnings are currently in effect for parts of western Nebraska, so be extra cautious with any outdoor activities that could spark a fire. The rest of the country can expect warmer than average temperatures due to a west to east flow sweeping across most of the lower 48 states. This means dry conditions will continue in the high plains and plains regions, with breezy weather making it feel even drier. Looking ahead into this weekend and early next week, we're expecting a shift in our weather pattern as colder temperatures start moving in from the north. This will bring a chance of wintry precipitation to areas across the northern tier of states. The west coast will see another round of wet weather, while strong cold fronts move through the central and eastern U.S., bringing with them much cooler air. Now, let's take a look at what's developing over the next few days. In our extended national outlook, we're looking at a relatively straightforward pattern where two waves of low pressure will move across the country, bringing rain and possibly some snow to parts of the northern U.S. These disturbances will be followed by a strong cold front that will sweep through the central and eastern states, making for quite a chilly change as we head into early next week. As we look ahead to this weekend and beyond, things get a bit more interesting. A deep low pressure system is expected to form off the west coast, while high pressure builds up in the intermountain region. This setup will create some strong temperature contrasts across the country, with warmer conditions west of the Rockies and much colder air moving into the east, behind that cold front I mentioned earlier. There's also a bit of uncertainty as we get closer to Monday and Tuesday, especially when it comes to how much rain or snow might fall in the northwest. The models are showing some differences here, but overall they agree on the big picture. So while you can expect some changes in the weather over the next few days, keep an eye out for updates as we get closer to those dates. Now let's zoom into our Ohio Valley regional forecast. Let's start with Illinois, where you've got some nice sunny skies today in Chicago. It's going to be a high of about 62 degrees this afternoon, and the temperatures will dip down to around 59 as we move into the evening. You'll have south winds at 10 to 15 miles per hour, with gusts up to 30 miles per hour tonight over in Aurora. You're looking at a similar forecast. High of about 64 degrees this afternoon and falling to 60 by late afternoon. Tonight will be mostly clear with temperatures around 50 degrees and south-southwest winds between 10 to 8 cut if necessary for time. Moving on to Indiana, Indianapolis is going to have a mostly sunny day with highs reaching up to 65 degrees and falling to 63 in the late afternoon. Tonight, expect mostly clear skies with temperatures dropping down to about 50 degrees. Over in Fort Wayne, you'll see partly sunny skies today with a high of around 61 degrees. The night will be partly cloudy with lows around 47 degrees. And over in Evansville, it's going to be a beautiful sunny day with highs reaching up to 65 degrees and falling down to about 61 this afternoon tonight. Expect partly cloudy skies with temperatures dropping to around 51 degrees. In Kentucky, Louisville is looking at a high of about 63 degrees today under mostly sunny skies. The night will be clear with lows around 50 degrees. Over in Lexington, you'll see a similar forecast. Highs near 61 degrees and falling to the low 40s tonight. And over in Bowling Green, expect sunny skies today with a high of about 65 degrees, dropping down to around 59 this afternoon. The night will be mostly clear with temperatures around 48 degrees. Ohio is also seeing some nice weather today. Columbus will have mostly sunny sunny skies with highs reaching up to 61 degrees and falling to the low 40s tonight over in Cleveland. It's going to be a high of about 58 degrees this afternoon under sunny skies. The night will see partly cloudy conditions with temperatures around 45 degrees. And over in Cincinnati, you'll have mostly sunny skies today, with highs reaching up to 63 degrees and falling down to the mid-40s tonight in Pennsylvania. Pittsburgh is going to be a high of about 59 degrees under sunny skies. This afternoon, the night will see clear conditions with temperatures around 40 degrees. Over in Philadelphia, you'll have sunny skies today, with highs reaching up to 61 degrees and falling down to the mid-40s tonight. And over in Allentown, expect sunny skies today, with a high of about 59 degrees and dropping down to the low 30s tonight. In Tennessee, Nashville is going to be a high of around 69 degrees under sunny skies. This afternoon, the night will see mostly clear conditions with temperatures around 4. Over in Memphis, you'll have sunny skies today with highs reaching up to 71 degrees and falling down to the mid-40s tonight. And over in Knoxville, expect sunny skies today with a high of about 65 degrees and dropping down to the low 40s tonight. Finally, West Virginia is also seeing some nice weather today. Charleston will have mostly sunny skies with highs reaching up to 63 degrees and falling to the mid-40s tonight. Over in Hunting, the night will be clear with temperatures around 44 degrees. And over in Morgantown, expect sunny skies today with highs reaching up to 58 degrees and falling down to the low 40s tonight. That's your Ohio Valley forecast for November 4th. I'm Tempest. Stay weather aware. That's your forecast for today. Stay weather aware and have a great day.